Zebra family, welcome to the Christmas episode of Cooking with Chef Ryan. Today we're going to be doing two recipes. One is going to be our morning Christmas punch. The second one is going to be our no-bake coconut macaroons. First, we're going to start off with our Christmas morning punch. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 cups of orange juice, 2 cups of cranberry juice, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and 1 cup of ginger ale. To start off this recipe, we're going to need 2 cups of orange juice. After that, we're going to add 2 cups of our cranberry juice to this. That's going to give it that color that we want, that morning Christmas color. Then we're going to add 1 cup of pineapple juice. And then we need 1 cup of ginger ale. That's going to give it that little fizz. After you added everything, just give it a nice mix. Once we get this mixed, all we're going to do is set this to the side. We're going to start on our next one. For our next recipe, we're making no-bake coconut macaroons. For this recipe, we're gonna need 10 ounces of butter, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, 6 teaspoons of brown sugar, 22 ounces of caramel, and 10 cups of coconut flakes. Also, you're gonna need some chocolate almond bark. That's for the bottom base of these macaroons. First thing that we're gonna do is add our caramel to our saucepan. Next, we add our butter, our heavy cream, and our brown sugar. Now that we have the caramel melted, we're gonna add our 10 cups of coconut flakes. I would add half now, stir that in, and then add the other half. And now we add the other half. Oh my goodness, I made a mess. As you do it, fold. Fold the caramel. Fold the cheese. What does that mean, fold the cheese?
What does that mean? What does folding the cheese mean?
Now that we incorporated the caramel and the coconut together, we're going to scoop this onto a sheet tray. I'm using a cookie scoop to make it easier because that caramel is hot still. And we also want to keep that shape. Now that we scooped them up and put them on the cookie tray, we're going to put them into the refrigerator for about 10-15 minutes, just so they cool down and get a little bit on the hard side so we can dip them into the chocolate. So now that they're cooled, we're going to dip each individual macaroon into the chocolate. Now that each macaroon has been dipped in the chocolate, we're gonna drizzle it with the chocolate on top. And lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt. Thank you for tuning in to our Christmas special. And from all of us at CPS, we want to wish you a happy holidays and a happy new year. And remember, it's a great day to be a zebra.